Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the Angular 19 latest version and sharing data between parent to child component. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, first I will show you working demo on web as well. See guys. Here you can see Angular 19. Let me show you version first. See the beautiful version 9, 19. Sorry. Here we go. So guys, see 19.0.3. So the latest one. And now you can see the text parents component, button update data, and child component, and some text share data initial data from signal. So first now I'm going to click this button, update data updated, and now see updated data from parent component. Let me reload it and now I will show you. See initial data from signal. Let me show you the code as well. Here's my service file. See friends, here's the custom signal string, like to hold the data signal initial data from string. Now you can see this fine, and here's the method to operate the signal value, and that method inside the parent component. Let me show you. See friends, here's my parent component HTML, like parent component. See parent component, button, and app child, and this will get data from child component. Here's that h1 child component. See guys, child component and the share data. First, this data is coming from service file, this static data, fine, and that I have imported in inside my child.component.ts file, like import the service file and share data. The variable host data coming from shared file, the static data, this one. And now the main thing is update data from the parent component. So here's the parent component, and now you will see the button with method update share data, and here's the method declared inside parent component.ts file. See guys, update share data, this dot service file, update data, and this is the text, and that will go here. So when I will click the button, then this those share data dot set with this data, and this data is this one. Let me add one text as well. Yes, update it and save it. And now we will hit the button. See, works well. So guys, have you seen chain data between parent to child component in Angular 19? Works well. And guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. There is my contact and advice page. You will get my email, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, I'm full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of project, then feel free to contact me anytime. And guys, also you will get the many Angular stuff on my blog as well. The free dashboard, the free commerce templates, and more Angular stuff as well. So guys, please share and subscribe my channel as well. But friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.